Nice. Get away from the motor. Pull him hard. He's a little feisty one. Feisty little. I don't even want to stop the boat. Just bring him in the boat. Get him off the hook. Bring him down. Give me some more room. There you go. Here, you gotta take care of him. I'm still trolling. I gotta drive the boat.
Oh, baby.
God, that looks almost like a kokanee. It's just... That's one way to do it.
I guess he wanted to go, right? Oh,
Sure.
He's got something deep in him.
Oh, he caught somebody else. You caught somebody else's stuff, huh? Oh, I wonder if we can get that out.